What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Android Auto not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix the Android Auto issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then check your charger if it's charging your phone correctly or not. So if your charger is not working, then change your charger and make sure you are using the original Samsung company charger. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then try updating your mobile software. So to do this, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, update your mobile software to the latest version, and after updating the mobile software to the latest version, it will fix the small software glitches like Android Auto or any other app not working issue. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.